In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to completely delete or remove blocks in AutoCAD. So, if you find yourself with numerous blocks that are no longer needed or in use, and you're looking to clear them from your drawing entirely, you'll find this guide quite handy. Let's start by navigating to the AutoCAD interface. In the top left corner of your screen, you'll notice the AutoCAD logo icon. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. Look for the Drawing Utilities option in this menu and go ahead and select it. Within Drawing Utilities, you'll see the option for Purge. Click on that. Now, if you prefer using command lines instead, no worries. You can simply type Purge directly into the command line and hit Enter. Once you've accessed the Purge tool, you'll be directed to the Purge dialog box, where you'll want to shift your attention to the Purgeable Items tab. This is where you'll manage the blocks. If your goal is to remove all unused blocks from the drawing, you'll want to check the box labelled Blocks. This is a quick way to essentially declutter your entire project by removing blocks that are not being utilised, keeping your workspace clean and efficient. However, if you only need to delete specific blocks rather than every single unused one, the process is slightly different. Open the drop-down menu under Blocks, and you'll see a list of all the block definitions present in your drawing. Carefully go through this list and select the blocks that you want to delete. You have the control here to be precise in your selection, ensuring you keep everything that you might still need while removing what you don't. Now that you've made your selections or decided to purge all unused blocks, it's time to complete the process. Look towards the bottom of the dialog box and find the button that says Purge Checked Items. Click on it, and AutoCAD will take care of the rest for you. This action will effectively remove all the selected or unused blocks from your current drawing, streamlining your workspace and potentially improving the performance of your AutoCAD file. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted or removed unwanted blocks from your AutoCAD drawing. Knowing how to efficiently manage blocks in AutoCAD is a vital skill, especially when working on large and complex drawings where organization matters. This not only keeps your project neatly arranged, but also optimizes the functionality of your drawings. Remember, keeping your files decluttered will always aid in smoother project execution. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.